Hi everyone. Here is some instruction on how to complete the two validation slides. So you need your copy of your math component for your capstone open, and please find this slide within your slideshow. It says validate salary exponential equation. And then you'll also want the next one, which is validate cost of living exponential equation. You will also want to make sure that you have a calculator pulled up, either your device's calculator or a computer calculator. We do need to have pictures of this, so it can't just be on your phone unless you want to do screenshots on your phone. What we are going to be doing is taking the formulas that we have for our career salary and cost of living, and what we're going to do is validate that information. We put that information on our into our graphs, so we have a graphic representation, but the calculator representation will make will be the proof, further proof that what our numbers are saying are actually correct. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to be validating using 3 different years. We are going to validate our numbers for salary after 2 years, 10 years, and 20 years. So for me, I will be using this equation right here, the 32,500 times 1.04 to the power of x. And our x is what's going to change. The x is where we're going to get the 2 years, 10 years, 20 years piece. So if I come back over here to my calculator, so let's put in my yearly starting salary and then my expected annual raise increase. Then for the exponent, that x piece, I'm going to click on my exponent button, the x to the y here, and you can see it puts a little raised number in there, and I can put in the 2 for my exponent. And when I click equals, there it is. So now what I'm going to do is open up my snip tool, and I'm going to get a picture of my calculator showing that I have put in the information, and this is how I got the numbers that are on my graph and in my table. So for this, I need to save each one. So I'll just call this salary number 1 because this is my first salary picture. And then I can come back over here and put it in again, 32,500, 1.04, and then my exponent for this one is 10 years and equals. So there will be my salary after 10 years. So again, with the snipping tool, so I can grab the picture of the calculator showing my work. The work is, oh, there we go. The work is up here, so you can see that. And then I'm going to save this picture again. Salary number 2. And then I'm going to do the same thing one more time. For the 20 years. Oops. 2,500. And for 20 years. And there it is, last snip and sketch. Okay, save. Salary number 3. Okay, so now that I have those 3 pieces, now I can come back to my slideshow, and now I'm going to insert all 3 of those on my slide. So, insert, image, upload from computer. Desktop. right? And there's my first salary one. Okay, and shrinking up the size. That's for 2 years. And then insert image, upload, salary number 2. That's for 10 years. And then salary number 3 for 20 years. And you can clean it up however you would like so that all 3 will fit nicely on there. We will do a little bit of a summary writing for what our calculations are showing just as explanation so we know that what we did. You're going to do this same type of thing for the next slide as well, validating the cost of living exponential equation. So you'll be using the exponential or the equation for cost of living from the same slide where you have your salary formula written. And you're going to put it into the calculator the same way, and you're going to take pictures the same way. Same thing, 2 years, 10 years, and 20 years. So if you get stuck, then be sure to send me a chat message and I will help you as best I can.